Our application allows you to communicate with clients via email, which help to build strong relationships. Follow these steps to configure your email settings. Navigate to the user creation screen. Select the Email tab. Enter your email address. Locate the application name text box and copy the name using Ctrl+C or right-click and select Copy. Click the link icon or button. This will open your default browser. Enter your Gmail address, same as entered in our application. Enter your Gmail password. On the browser page, paste the application name, or type it exactly as shown. Click Create. A new window will appear with the generated app password. Copy the generated password. Open Notepad and paste the password. Remove any blank spaces from the pasted text. Copy the corrected password. Return to the application and paste the password into the created app password field. Enter the SMTP address. For Gmail, use smtp.gmail.com. Enter the port number. For Gmail, use 587. Click Save. Now we will test it. Reopen user information. Click the email icon or button to initiate a test email. If configured correctly, you will see a success message. Open the Gmail in browser to test it. That's it, now you can send email from our application. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Or, you can scan the QR code and send us a WhatsApp message. We will be pleased to get back to you.